Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is finally a new video because I haven't uploaded anything in 2 weeks. Um I'm still alive. I will make a new one. My channel is not dead yet. Okay. Do you know what I'm going to do today? Exactly. I will review igplay.com, one of the Instagram analytics website. It's similar with that one app I reviewed. You can click. I will recommend it here if you want to watch it. But this is in the form of website, and sometimes if it's a website, usually it has like more features and of course more ads. Okay, I will stop talking now and I will search that website. Okay, IG. Oh, it's already here. I don't know. So my internet connection is kind of slow, so we should wait for some seconds, I guess. Oh yes, finally. First, let's just looking into the interface and what is written here. Track an Instagram account. Cool. Yes, they are not lying about this. I actually use this for like 1 or 2 months now, but I've never really reviewed from the I never really read all of this. But yes, they are not lying. No tracking period limit. Yes, this is like completely true. They don't make you pay some money for tracking your account, and that's cool. I think we need that, especially when you are somehow a medium or big account, where you should give your account stats to the advertiser so you can get them to advertise on your account and you can get money. Next, automated PDF report. This is like, you first sign up with your email, and like every month, like in the early or mid of month, I don't know, they will send you the stats of your account, and it's very easy to read. Sign up for free, learn more. Okay, track an Instagram account. Search profiles. I will search my own account. Yes, this is my Instagram, guys. If you're interested on my YouTube updates and a little bit of my activities and also memes, just go follow my account. Link in the description. Just click the link and then follow me, and maybe when we get to certain number of followers, I will make some giveaway, so just wait for it. Oh yes, good. Look at this. This is exactly how my accounts look like. This is like they have very detailed, and they track your account every single day. Follower change and stuff. Good. Following last 90 days, it has decreased. And this is, wow, this is so detailed. You can see this. Followers last 7 days. +5, good. Followers last 30 days. -2. Yes, like last month, I don't have that much amount of my followers, but it's completely fine. Average daily growth 0. Yeah. Average monthly growth 73. Over the next 30 days 0. What? Okay. 1,334 followers in 6 months. Oh, hopefully, guys, if you help me, of course. And here you can see they also have my daily statistic here. Oh, yes, you can track my account using this without asking for my password or anything. It's really cool, guys. You can browse more. Okay, good. Yes, this is where you should pay money to see. But I think with the free features it's enough, I guess. I think demographics is more when you are already a big account, and sometimes you know advertisers target certain region, but usually I see most advertisers from Facebook. You know, I joined a Facebook, and most of them are looking for advertisers with most followers from UK and United States. Engagement last 100 days, posting habits. Wow, it's so detailed and easy to understand. They even have that square, you see, they explain what you don't need to like looking and matching it with the lines. Oh, what is this? Is it 175, 80? No, this show it's 92. That's cool, guys. If you maybe you'd like to track my account if you're curious or want to try. It's time to pause. Okay, another. I think it's enough for the free version. It's actually cool already. And then that's all for today. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye and stay safe.